Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to get back. Tap to stop alarm button on your iPhone lock screen. Apple has slightly changed how you dismiss alarms on your iPhone lock screen. In iOS 26.1 or later, the clock app now requires a slight gesture to stop an alarm from the lock screen, replacing the previous tap to stop button that was redesigned in iOS 26. Even though snoozing still works with a simple tap, turning off an alarm entirely demands the extra swipe gesture. While this change is specially aimed at preventing accidental dismissals when you are reaching for your iPhone in the morning, it may not please everyone. If for one of them, there is a quick way to get rid of the slide to stop alarm gesture and get back the old tap to stop alarm gesture on your iPhone lock screen. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone. After that you have to choose the accessibility option. Then you have to select the touch option. And finally you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then you have to enable the toggle for prefer single touch actions and you are all set. Going forward, the old tap to stop alarm button will appear on the lock screen. Hence, you can easily stop any alarm by just tapping on it instead of using the slide gesture. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it. And do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.